Why is 0 factorial equal to 1 and not something else? Let's find out. For some positive integer n, n factorial is defined like this. Now, to see what 0 factorial is, I'm going to rewrite this chunk as n minus 1 factorial. Then I'm going to divide both sides by n. So we have n factorial divided by n equals n minus 1 factorial. Now let's have n equal 1. And when we do that, we get 1 on the left side and 0 factorial on the right side. So we see 1 equals 0 factorial. Now, take note of this over here. This pattern is this formula in action. 4 factorial divided by 4 is 3 factorial. 3 factorial divided by 3 is 2 factorial. 2 factorial divided by 2 is 1 factorial. And 1 factorial divided by 1 is 0 factorial. And 1 divided by 1 is 1. Now, here's another way of thinking about it. We can think about n factorial as the number of different ways we can arrange n objects. So, for example, how many different ways can we arrange 3 objects? Well, 6. 3 factorial equals 6. Now, how many different ways can you arrange 0 objects? Well, 1 way. Here it is. There's only 1 way to order the empty set. Now, it's great that 0 factorial equals 1, or else some formulas would just fall apart. For example, with the combination formula, if you have n objects, how many different ways can you choose r objects where order doesn't matter? This formula gives you the answer. So say that I have 3 markers, and you can choose 3 of these markers and order doesn't matter. How many different ways can you do that? Well, only 1 way. You just grab all 3 of them. So 3 choose 3 should equal 1. And the only way that this could be 1 is if 0 factorial equals 1. So there you have it, my best effort at explaining why 0 factorial equals 1.